Fish, alam mo ba na pinano ko na yung buhay ko na kasama ka? Kahit na 5 years at 364 days na tayo magkasama, araw-araw, mas minamahal kita.
I remember the days when you're here with me. Those laughter and tears we shared for years.
Happy anniversary, Dad.
Memories that we had for so long, it's me and you. Now you're gone away, you left me all alone.
Hindi naman kita minahal eh.
Hindi ko naniniwala sa'yo. Sa tingin mo ba ganun lang kadali yun?
Can't you see?
Oo. Kaya tama na. Pagod na ako. I've had